In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint in Lucidchart so you can quickly change the fill color, line color, and border color of your shapes and connectors. This is super useful when you want to make your diagrams look cleaner, match a brand color, or organize different sections visually. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the shape you want to paint. Click on the shape once to select it. You should see a bounding box around it along with resize handles, which tells you the object is active and ready to edit. If you want to change more than one shape at the same time, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each shape you want to include. This is a great way to color a group of objects without repeating the same step over and over. Now look at the top formatting toolbar. You'll see the fill color tool, which usually looks like a paint bucket or a colored square. This is the main tool you'll use when you want to paint the inside of a shape. Click the fill color icon to open the color picker. Lucidchart will give you preset swatches you can choose from right away, or you can enter a specific hex code if you need an exact color match. That's especially helpful if you're following a company brand guide or trying to keep colors consistent across multiple diagrams. After selecting your color, the shape will immediately update. If you selected multiple shapes before opening the color picker, all of those shapes will change together. That can save a lot of time when you're working on flowcharts, org charts, process maps, or any diagram with repeated elements. If the color doesn't look quite right, just click the fill color again and try another option until it feels balanced and easy to read. Next, let's change the line or border color. This is useful when you want to make a shape stand out more, or when your connector lines need to match the rest of your design. Click the border of the shape or the connector line you want to edit. Once it's selected, go back to the top toolbar and find the line color option. This may appear as a pencil icon or another colored square depending on your layout. Click the line color tool to open the drop-down menu, then choose the color you want. The line or border will update immediately. If you're styling a diagram for presentation, a subtle border color can help keep everything readable without making the chart feel too busy. On the other hand, if you want strong contrast, darker borders can make your shape stand out more clearly. One thing to remember is that you can use these color tools together. For example, you can set a light fill color for the shape and a darker line color for the border. That creates a clean, professional look and helps separate elements visually. It also makes your diagrams easier to understand at a glance, especially if you're sharing them with teammates, clients, or students. If you're trying to color code a diagram, a simple strategy is to assign one color to each category. You could use blue for process steps, green for completed items, yellow for warnings, and red for problem areas. Keeping a consistent system will make your Lucidchart diagrams much easier to scan, and that's really all there is to it. To paint in Lucidchart, select your shape, use the fill color tool to change the inside color, and use the line color tool to adjust borders or connectors. With just a few clicks, you can make any diagram look more polished and professional. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.